To enable voice navigation in Google Maps, start by opening the Google Maps app on your iPhone or Android phone. Then, select the profile icon located at the top right of the screen, next to the microphone icon. This will open the Google Maps menu, where you should select Settings at the bottom. In the Settings, choose Navigation at the top. Here, you'll find two key settings to enable. First, ensure the mute state is unmuted, and then adjust the guidance volume to your preferred level, if you're not hearing the voice. Try setting it to louder. Once you've unmuted the voice and adjusted the volume, you should be able to hear turn-by-turn directions. If you're still not hearing the voice navigation, it may be an issue with your Bluetooth connection. Try turning off Play Voice over Bluetooth to see if you can hear the voice through your phone's speaker instead. This can help you determine if the problem lies with your car's speaker volume or another factor. By following these steps, you should be able to enable voice navigation in Google Maps and get turn-by-turn directions with ease.